Assalamu alaikum. Welcome on our channel The Easy Arabic. Today we are going to learn how to ask what is this in Arabic, as well as questions starting with the helping verb is, such as is this a book, is this a pen, is this a mobile, and their responses. So let us start. The first word which we are going to learn is ma. Ma is a question word used for what. Another word is Hamza, or we can read it as a. In Arabic, it is called Hamzatul Istifham. Istifham means a question or to ask. When you are translating from English to Arabic, this Hamza is used in the place of helping verbs in the beginning of the sentence to ask a question. As you know that helping verbs are different according to the structure of the sentence, such as do, does, is, rm. So we are not going to translate this Hamza with any specific word. Just remember that this Hamza is used to ask a question. Now let us learn some another vocabulary words used to answer the questions asked by this Hamza. So the first word is Naam. Naam, it means yes, and the another word is La. La, it means no. Naam, yes, La, no. Now let us use these words in sentences. So the first sentence is Ma haza, what is this? And your response will be Hada qalamun. Hada qalamun, this is a pen. Hada qalamun, this is a pen. And now we ask Ahada qalamun? Ahada qalamun, is this a pen? Ahada qalamun, is this a pen? Your response will be Naam, hada qalamun. Yes, this is a pen. And if we say Ahada kitabun, Ahada kitabun, is this a book? Your response will be La, hada qalamun. La, hada qalamun. No, this is a pen. No, this is a pen. Now we ask Ma haza, what is this? Your response will be Hada kitabun. This is a book. Hada kitabun, this is a book. And now we ask Ahada kitabun? Ahada kitabun, is this a book? Your response will be Naam, hada kitabun. Naam, hada kitabun. Yes, this is a book. And if we ask Ahada qalamun, is this a pen? Your response will be La, hada kitabun. No, this is a book. Now we ask Ma haza, what is this? And your response will be Haza jawwalun. Haza jawwalun, this is a mobile. This is a mobile. And now we ask Haza jawwalun, is this a mobile? Your response will be Naam, Haza jawwalun. Yes, this is a mobile. And if we ask Haza hasubun, Ahada hasubun, is this a computer? Your response will be La, hada jawwalun. La, hada jawwalun. No, this is a mobile. No, this is a mobile. That is all for today. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Take care.